Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closed mixed to finish the week last Friday. Shares in food and staples retailing, real estate and tech, hardware and equipment sectors, they all closed lower, while shares in insurance, automobiles and components, as well as diversified financials, they gained traction. On the economic docket, retail sales improving 0.1% month over month in August. Import prices falling by 0.6% month over month in August. Industrial production advancing 0.4% month over month in August. While finally, the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index jumping to 100.8 in a preliminary estimate for September. All combined, advancers ahead of decliners, 57% of SP 500 constituents trading higher on Friday. Now, after the markets closed, Teva Pharmaceutical Industries announcing that it has won FDA approval for the sale of its Ajovy, which is an injection administered every few months to relieve migraines in adults. Meanwhile, turning overseas, Asian markets mostly lower today. The Nikkei up 1.2%, but the Hang Seng down 1.3%. China CSI 300 down 1.15%. South Korea's Kospi down 0.2%. European markets trading mixed, and U.S. futures calling for a slightly negative start. Now, in terms of expectations today, FedEx first quarter EPS seen at $3.82 on sales of approximately $16.9 billion. Oracle first quarter EPS seen at 68 cents on sales of approximately $9.3 billion. While on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have the September Empire Manufacturing read. Now, taking a look at the markets, the SP 500 is where we begin, and that sees a break of a short-term rising trendline support, and it's also in focus. The relative strength index lacks upward momentum. A break below 29.02 would trigger a drop to 28.95. Short positions below 29.12 are favored, with targets at 29.02 and 28.95 in extension. The Nasdaq sees its aim at 75.2175, and the Dow Jones sees a break of a short-term rising trendline support as well.